And coming out from what we saw today, a system working in real time. There's another system now under scrutiny. In Stillwater, a courtroom revisiting a case we've been following from the beginning. From the original charges to the plea deal that avoided jail time to now. An evidence hearing today focused on whether victims were given the rights they are guaranteed under Oklahoma law. It's a case that has drawn statewide and national attention, and tonight it's entering a new phase. 2 News Oklahoma's Emma Birch is there as those questions are being argued in court.
I'm 2 News Oklahoma's Emma Birch here in the Payne County Courthouse, where one of the victims in the Jesse Butler case is asking the court to consider having Marsy's Law in all future criminal cases to protect the victims so they don't have to go through what she said she had to. Marsy's Law is a constitutional amendment that gives crime victims specific legal rights, including the right to be informed, present, and heard throughout the court process. The victim's mother filed a motion in December arguing her daughter's rights were violated. Both the victim and her mother say meetings did take place, but they were told what was happening rather than being included in the discussion. One victim who took the stand says she and the other victim were told by Payne County DA Laura Thomas and Assistant DA Deborah Vincent Butler was taking a no plea of 10 counts of rape 15 minutes before his hearing. The victim testified she did not give a victim impact statement during Butler's sentencing because she said, quote, "I wasn't in the right headspace." Oklahoma State Representative Justin Humphrey says it's a DA's job to represent the victims, not the other way around.
The victims ought to have say-so in their cases. They are the ones that should have the most say-so. The DA's job is to represent those victims. Instead, what we see here in Payne County, and it's not just in this case, it's in lots of cases.
The state arguing they have done just that. The state cross-examined the victim, arguing there were several meetings to discuss the charges and a potential plea deal. Prosecutors say the victim was also notified when hearings were scheduled. Now, the victim and the victim's mother agreed to not make any changes to Butler's original sentencing. Now, Butler was not in the courtroom, but his attorneys were. It wrapped up on Monday and will continue on Tuesday. Reporting in the Payne County Courthouse, I'm Emma Birch, 2 News Oklahoma.